Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, help one another in righteous and
Jane, RB General Dizon of PNP, Brigade Commander General Lanyog, sir, Coast Guard representative, we have the members of the PJSCC, Colonel Araujo, Battalion Commander Sir Espiritu, and Colonel Santos, another battalion commander, to our religious leaders, incumbent and aspiring leaders of Masbate. Good morning. After 4 national and local elections, I'm finally back in Masbate to conduct and oversee the 2025 national and local elections. Way back 2010, we had the usual unity walk, peace covenant signing, interfaith rally. Add to that, the 2 shiploads of PNP personnel fresh from Haiti. It resulted in a very peaceful 2010 elections. 2013, 2016, 2019, 2022, I was assigned in the different provinces in the Bicol region. No unity walk, no peace covenant signing, peaceful elections. What makes Masbate so special? Well, aside from its beauty, we are known for election-related violence. So for more than 15 years, I've been with the COMELEC for 15 years. I was monitoring elections here for the years 2013, 16, 19, and 22. We had this usual activity. Well, fortunately, the election-related violent incidents have declined steadily. Today, we are here again for the Unity Walk, Interfaith Prayer, and Peace Rally, Peace Covenant signing. And hopefully, this will be the last or final nail in the coffin of election-related violence in this province. Ladies and gentlemen, it is high time to show the world that Masbateños are peace-loving people. Good morning.
Thank you, sir.
Maswerte po tayo dahil bahagi tayo ng makasaysayang pagtitipon na ito, itong okasyon at aktibidad na ito, dahil lahat tayo ay nagnanais na maging matagumpay ang halalang Mayo 12, 2025, na kung saan ang sagradong boto ng mamamayan at botante ng Masbate, ayon ang mabibilang at yun ay igagalang ng mga hindi pinalad sa halalan. So ang pagpupunyagi po na ito na nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong activity ay pagpapatunay lamang ng ating commitment at pagpapatunay ng ating layunin na walang buhay, walang bahay, walang pamilyang masisira, bagkus igagalang kung ano man po ang naging kapasyahan ng ating sambayanan. Dahil may kasabihan tayo na ang boses ng mamamayan ay boses ng Panginoon. Kaya nandito po, dinaan natin sa dasal, dinaan natin sa pagkakaisang paglakad, dinaan natin sa peace covenant na gagawin natin dahil nais natin ipakita sa buong mundo, sabi nga ng ating Provincial Election Supervisor kanina, na ipamalas natin na ang Masbate ay sadyang mapayapa kahit pagdating ng halalan. Ako po ay saksi nung mga nakaraang eleksyon dito na may mga hindi kanais-nais na nangyayari. So ngayon, hindi na po yan nangyayari at hindi na mangyayari dahil tayo ay naggagalang, ginagalang natin ang karapatan ng bawat isa. Muli, binabati natin ang bawat isa sa nakibahagi sa makasaysayang pagtitipon na ito. Diyos marinaga po, Gerard Estero.
Thank you so much, sir.
On behalf of Major General Noe Alberto Piñafiel, ang commander ng 9th Infantry Division at the same time yung commander ng Joint Task Force Bicolandia of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I would like to extend my heartfelt greetings to all the participants of today's Unity Walk, Peace Rally, and Peace Covenant signing here in Masbate Province. Your active participation only proves that Masbateños are truly valuing peace and unity sa kapanahunan ngayon. So kung ano man ang mga history na nangyari sa atin before, those are things of the past. Ipoprove natin ngayon sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa, na Masbate ay tahimik during election period. And this momentous event is a testament to our collective commitment to fostering peace and harmony among all the diverse communities in our province, especially that we will be having one of the most important events of this year, the 2025 midterm election. It reflects that we share same aspirations, that despite the differences in our political beliefs, we put primacy on peace and harmony. The signing of the Peace Covenant today, later on, symbolizes our unwavering resolve to uphold the principles of peace, cooperation, and mutual respect. It is a powerful reminder that true peace is not simply the absence of conflict, but the active engagement of every individual in nurturing a safe, just, and inclusive expression of our democratic rights. The 2025 midterm election is a critical moment for our nation, a time when every Filipino has the opportunity to shape our future through the power of their votes. Today, I stand before you as a representative of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, fully committed to support the Commission on Elections and the Philippine National Police in ensuring that the 2025 midterm election here in Masbate will be conducted in the safest, most accurate, fair, and efficient manner possible. The role of the military and police is very clear. We are here not to influence the electoral process, but to protect it. The core of our duty is to ensure that security, accuracy, fairness, and efficiency are upheld at every stage of the electoral process. As we march towards election day, March 28 will be the start of campaign of the local election. I call on the Masbateños, let us come together as one province, united in our commitment to peace and fairness. Let us ensure that every vote counts, that no one is left behind, and that the integrity of our electoral process is protected and the safety of everyone is ensured. Let this day serve as a beacon of hope, not only for Masbateños, but for all Filipinos striving towards peace. May this initiative inspire others to continue the work of building stronger bonds, eradicating divisions, and spreading the values of love and respect. Dako na salamat, asin mabuhay kitang gabos.
Thank you.
Nasa puso po yan natin. If you really want to maintain peace and order in your place. So, good morning, General Dizon, General Lanyo, to our members of the law enforcement agencies, to our colleagues in the COMELEC, to our dear or beloved candidates, and to our distinguished guests and mga Masbateños, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's an honor po to be here with you as we gather for this momentous event, the covenant signing for the 2025 national and local elections. Alam niyo po, this event is a powerful statement of ours, our united commitment to safeguarding our democratic process and ensuring the success of the upcoming election. Through this covenant, we reaffirm our commitment to a future where transparency and civic engagement is central to our elections. Today's activity serves as a reminder na hindi lang po responsibility ng COMELEC ang mag-maintain ng peaceful and orderly election. It is our shared responsibility to maintain the integrity, the fairness and transparency of our electoral system. You know, let us all ensure that this 2025 elections will truly embody the spirit of makabagong halalan para sa magkabagong Pilipino. Kami po sa COMELEC ay umaasa po, lalo na po sa mga kandidato, sa inyong mga supporters, na sana po, mahal na mahal ko po ang Masbate. Pabalik-balik ko ako dito. Kung nakikita niyo po, nakapunta na po ako sa Burias Island, nakapunta na po ako sa Ticao Island. Napakalaki po ng potensyal ng inyong probinsya. Ang hindi ko lang po malaman is, bakit po kasama tayo sa one of the poorest province in the Philippines? Alam niyo po, rich in natural resources kayo, rich in human resources and everything. At alam ko, galing din po dito yung mga matatalinong tao. Kasi meron akong kaklase taga Masbate, hindi ko matalo-talo. So gusto sabihin, matalino ko talaga kayo. Kasi pag natalo ako, gusto sabihin, mas matalino ako sa kanila. So, ang higit ko po sa inyo lahat, especially sa mga kandidato and supporters, guard your ranks and truly commit to make these elections 2025 peaceful and orderly, na iiba sa lahat ng elections na mga dumaan. Nasa inyo pong mga kamay, hindi po sa kamay ng COMELEC, hindi po sa kamay ng AFP, PNP, to maintain the peace and order in the elections. Guard your own ranks, guard yourself. Yun po ang pakiusap namin. Kasi nga ako sabi ko, I've been to other countries during election, parang buong piyesta lang. Sana ho, pagdating ng panahon, sana ho ngayong 2025 elections, this will just be an event, peaceful event, na para lang kung nagkita-kita kayo sa polling center, say hello, manalo yung magaling, tanggapin lang natalo po. And there is another election. And hopefully po, yung mananalo is gawin niyo po yung dapat na gawin para sa gobyerno. I am looking forward na itong Masbate will be prosperous. Kaya po ako palagi kong pinaglalaban ang Masbate na hindi kayo malagay sa isang categorization na hindi ko matanggap. Na palagi kong sa balita nasa Comelec control ang Masbate. Nasa top 3 po tayo palagi doon sa mga gulong eleksyon. So hopefully this 2025 mawala po yan. And hopefully this 2025 sinabi po ng aming best na we will prove to the world na peace-loving ang mga Masbateño at peace-loving po ang mga Bicolno. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga. Thank
Naglalahok sa halalang 2025, iwawaksi ko ang kampanyang nakabatay sa kasinungalingan at paninira. Tulad ng artificial intelligence generated tools at tututulan ko para lamang makuha ang boto ng mga mamamayan. Iwawaksi ko at hindi susuportahan ang anumang grupo na kumakatawan at tapat na proseso ng halalan. At higit sa lahat, igagalang ko ang malayang pasya ng mamamayan. Maraming salamat po.
Prioritizing the welfare of our communities. It is a pledge to uphold the principles of democracy, justice, and peace. Once again, we are all witnessing the peace covenant signing. Officer 96 Infantry, Alab Battalion 9 by the Philippine Army, Lieutenant Colonel Francis R. Espiritu.
The Assistant Chief Archivist, Lieutenant Colonel Rosalyn C. Peradero.
Parochial Deacon from St. Anthony de Padua Cathedral, Reverend Manuel Ilboy Sr.
The President of Masbate PPO Life Coach, Reverend L.E.A. Asenbuke.
And from Masbate Muslim community, we have Imam Musanif Maharamboy.
And of course, with us also this morning are the gubernatorial candidates.
Vice gubernatorial candidates.
The candidates from the 1st District Congressional District,
2nd District Congressional candidates.
3rd District Congressional candidates,
Mayoralty candidates of
also present here are our media partners.
friends. Yes, from the different local and national stations.
Of course, the provincial staff from the Masbate Police Provincial Office. See how the 3, you are now ready to release the dance. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Commitment to fostering harmony among communities and signifies a new beginning.
Those as universal symbols of peace evoke the aspiration for a future free from conflict, making this act a powerful expression of collective goodwill and cooperation.
Thank you once again and congratulations all for this very successful endeavor. We now move on to the party.
Again,
I request our provincial director, who is Colonel Jefferson Officer, please join us.
Lorenzo. Please get ready, our third district congressional candidates, please.
Sir, matanong ko lang yung nabanggit kasi kanina ng from COMELEC na ang masbate from red category, naging orange category. So ano naging batayan natin dito, sir?
Sa ngayon po, diniklara ng ating regional election director ng COMELEC na ang Masbate ay wala ng red category. So karamihan po dito ay orange, yellow, and green. So ibig sabihin po, hindi na makaagaw pansin ang Masbate bilang isa sa mga probinsya ng Bicol na may isang red category po, sir. So ang PNP ay natutuwa, nagagalak na sana yung mga aspirants natin ay ito pa rin nila yung kanilang nilagdaan at ipinangakong magiging malinis at honest itong darating ngayon. Sa ating mga kasamahan sa PNP, particularly dito sa Masbate Police Provincial Office, huwag nating isusugal ang ating uniforme, ang ating tsapa sa kapirasong halaga lang. Isipin natin ang sinumpa nating katungkulan, isipin natin ang ating pamilya na maaapektuhan kapag tayo ay nagkaroon ng problema at kapag tayo ay napaswahan na sumasali sa politika. So let us remain apolitical, let us remain non-partisan, let us remain professional. So doon lang tayo sa ating mandato at safe tayong magtrabaho sa ating lipunan.
How can the AFP support the COMELEC and PNP in ensuring the integrity and credibility of the elections in Masbate?
Tulad ng sinabi ko, as a deputized agency ng COMELEC, ginagawa talaga namin yung role namin, no, to ensure yung sinabi mo, no, peaceful, orderly. So nagkakandak tayo ng mayroon tayong mga prior election operations, mayroon tayo during and after. So nakalatag naman yun dun sa COMELEC resolutions kung ano yung ating specific function.